Welcome to Devices Setup channel. Here on this channel, we help you resolve issues related to different devices and gadgets. And today we will learn about how to set up Netfun Wi-Fi extender. So first of all, you need to plug in your Wi-Fi extender right next to your router and wait for the power LED to turn stable. Now, on any of your device like your cell phone, tablet or computer, go to the Wi-Fi and check for Netphone extender network name. Connect to that network name. On the very same device, open a browser and in the URL or address bar type 192.168.10.1. It will take you to the Netfun extender setup login page. There, you will need to type admin as the password and hit login. Next, select the mode in which you want to set up your device. So here, it will be the repeater mode. Now select the network name that you want to extend and type its password for the confirmation. After you hit on save, your extender will be set up and you will be able to find it in your Wi-Fi list. By default, the extender network name comes up with your home network name underscore ext and the password will be same as your router's Wi-Fi password. Now you can unplug the extender and use it at the location where you need Wi-Fi connectivity. For best experience, we recommend you place the extender halfway between the router and the location where you need internet. The second method to set up Netfun extender is via WPS setup. So in this setup, you need to press the WPS button on your extender and within 2 minutes, you need to press the WPS on your router. Next, you will be able to find your extender network in your Wi-Fi list. So these are two methods about how we can set up Netfun extender. We hope you find this video useful. If you want video on any other gadgets installation or diagnostics, then do let us know in the comment section. Also, we do provide independent support, so you can get in touch with our online representative on our website devicessetup.com. And please do us a small favor by hitting the like and subscribe button. It will help us grow and will motivate us too. So thank you so much.